Yes. I'm always recording. That's like the worst question to ever ask.
It looks like I'm not getting any ice out of there, but we're heading to Midpond. It's 4 in the morning. What about
But they
the
don't
mail?
leave it.
Why are we leaving the mail?
Why are we bringing the mail?
Throw it out. Refrigerator's gotta be empty.
Refrigerator's gotta be empty. Alright.
Here, and lunch meat and stuff.
This is our Airbnb. There's a mountain over there. You can't see it. It's black.
No, it's okay.
I'm taking myself out to the trash. Morning. Midpond.
My water that was in the middle here.
We have arrived at Midpond. Here is our style RV shitbox. So here you have an RX-7 as a holder for things.
Good morning.
We're here.
We made it.
Car needs a new body kit, so I don't even care if it gets scratched anymore. But dude, look at the front tires from AMP. That is gruesome. That is so gruesome. Oh my god.
Turbo LS.
Oh, it's turbo LS. That's gotta be working for you. Where y'all from?
Orlando, Florida.
A wisdom, you guys.
Yes, sir.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Hey, what's up, man? I didn't see you there. Damn, Cole Richards loves.
Yeah, I like.
I mean, you're probably good. Good morning. How's your day? Oh, there's people.
Little man.
You're on the vlog, say hi.
Took forever because of
Made it.
We'll see.
Midpond. Ducks quack.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack around lake, pond.
Nat Geo.
Ain't one thing is another.
What is that, fella?
Yeah, it sounds like good. Yeah, there you go.
Go, team, go!
Sorry.
Let it cool down a second. God damn, these Florida cars don't like here.
No, man.
Cooked all my feet.
Oh, yeah.
That's my first time in my life in 15 years the drift car's caught on fire. I've had my road course car caught on fire twice, but never a drift car.
And we survived.
Let's go.
Maybe it's not.
Yeah, we're good.
I don't see no bolt.
No bolt. Well, it's not.
There's a bolt in there.
Oh, it's right there.
Down the bottom.
Told you.
Good call, Willie.
Well, I told you when the throttle body broke.
Good call, Willie.
You didn't say anything. Just yanked out a throttle body butterfly and said, whoops.
Nothing else in there?
No, just the other half of that side. It's still in there.
Yeah, the shaft.
It's still in here.
Get it, Georgie.
Maybe I can find a throttle body and ignore you. This guy's living his best life. All this shit we talked, and the only Keeks car alive right now is him. Jesus Christ.
Hours later.
Yeah, we're not at Midpond anymore.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah. So, yeah, we caught fire. We're 3 for 3.
Wax off.
We're 3 for 3 right now at Midpond. George finally made it, as you saw earlier in the video. He ripped something in his subframe. He took it to some Mexican dude to get welded up the street. I don't know. Fellow caught fire. I caught fire. My throttle body broke. We're at Summit. We're gonna go get it figured out. But Alabama's 3 hours that way. We were just 3 hours that way. So like we went from Georgia to Bama to Georgia. And now we're going back to Bama. So yeah, I mean, I guess diesel's free nowadays. So.
That's pretty cool. Where we at, Gilly?
Well, interesting turn of events. We're at
Hey.
racing.
We're there.
You take that off. There you go. God. Things happened that we never thought would happen. We caught on fire.
That's race?
So far, we're 3 for 3 right now at Midpond. So I don't know what that means, but that's what's happening. We caught fire. Fella's car caught fire. My throttle body broke. Throttle body. This thing is. Shout out to Holly. And yeah, we're gonna figure this out. We'll be good. What? Throw this shit on the floor, dude. What a way better move now. Oh, look at Dragster. Big Daddy's on guard.
Back to the track we go.
Mm-hmm. Got it, Willie? You done this before?
No, we buy the boxes.
Yeah, I buy the box. Give me a second, alright? Let me focus, alright, brother? The depth is not deafened.
It's definitely not deafened.
I don't know. I need a like a nozzle. I mean funnel.
Nah.
There it goes. I'll be here a while.